Now let's take a closer look at the monthly view. This is where you'll probably spend most of your time planning your month at a glance. At the top, you can quickly navigate to any month and year by using the drop-down menus, or simply use the previous, today, and next buttons to move through your calendar. The calendar displays all of your scheduled events, appointments, birthdays, anniversaries, and other important dates directly on the days they've been assigned. On the right-hand side, you'll find a complete list of everything scheduled for the selected month. This gives you an easy way to review what's coming up without having to scan through the calendar. If you click on any event in the calendar or from the list, the event will open so you can review or edit its details whenever you need to. Below your appointments is a monthly notes section. This is a handy place to keep reminders, ideas, or anything else you'd like to remember during the month. If you left-click on any day, you'll jump directly to the daily view for that date, making it easy to see your schedule in more detail. If you right-click on a day, an Add Event window will open, allowing you to quickly create a new event for that date. We'll go through creating events in more detail later in the tutorial. As your planner grows, the monthly view becomes a great dashboard for seeing your entire month at a glance, while still giving you quick access to every appointment, note, and daily schedule with just a click. The monthly view is designed to give you both the big picture and quick access to the details, so whether you're planning ahead or checking today's schedule, everything is only a click away.